Good morning everyone. It's 5:54 in the morning. I'm now here at Carbon Market to buy flowers for Red School.
Ay, nagpapo niyo mo, dito makita. Niksi ko, wala mo gusto. Niksi pa. Agaw, nalabo.
Because today in Red School they have mass, and also it's a farewell for their school principal. I'm going to look for the flowers. I don't know where it is. Maybe it's up there. Wow. This is my favorite pakanin. Pila nito? Waffle. Saan mo lang kayo red, ha? I'll just ask around first. Oh, the stinky. Sour soup. Oh.
Hey, you have no more Coke. Only Sprite. What about Coke?
There's a foreigner there selling beauty soap. So I'm already here. Oh, at the flower station. Wow. So what I need is I need a red roses. Red rose. It's hard to find. Rose ako, team. Oh, I found here. Rose man ko lagi pa ko. I found rose here, but it's already there's black, so that means to say it's old stock. Wow, very nice. I love flowers. There's also rose here. Tagpila, te. Ang pongpong. Wala kay red, te. So they sell it by bundle, 40 pesos per bundle. Wow. Pila nete? Ha? 80, 80 pesos. Pila ang dosina natin? 80 pesos per kuan. I need kuan ganalan ko kuan 38 kabuok. 38. Pila na kadusin natin? 2, 4, 6. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 24, 48. Mga tulong. 2, 4, 6, 36 rano. So, it's 80 pesos per dozen, ha? Kuanti, ang sana, misa, unya, farewell, silbi sa kuan, school principal ba? So, I need 30. 38. Kanang gwapa ti ha kay. Wala ti hangyo anak te. Pangyo niya tate. Very nice bouquet guys. One piece of sunflower. Kaniya pila po ning inani?
Kala 200. 350 ko sila mo.
350 to 400. Mahal. This one is 2 dozens of just plain rose. It's 500 pesos. Wow, this one very nice as well. Pink na pink. Mahal lagi yan no, usal ka buo. Mahal ang sunflower. Yeah, gamay-gamay ra gani siya nga sunflower no, dili gud ingon nga katong bloom. This one guys is a bit expensive. It's only just we only got one sunflower and it's not the big one. Oh, there's more. There. Oh, very nice. Hi. You actually have roses here, but it's not fresh anymore. That's the reason why. There's also fake flowers. Like that, they do it like that. Oh, this one, oh, even though it's not real, it's 1,500. Oh. But the advantage is it will not wither. So I already bought 3 dozens of red roses here. 5. Ate. Red roses. This is 20 pesos, guys. See? So that would be all for today's video guys, and thank you once again for watching. Bye bye everyone.